Bueno, segidan, bi kanta desberdin joko ditugu. Alde batetik, Deep Purpleen Strange Kind of Woman, hard rock estilokoa, eta bestalde batetik, One Love, reggae delako estilokoa.
A continuación vamos a escuchar dos temas, Strange Kind of Woman de Deep Purple y uno de los temas más conocidos del hard rock, y después One Love, tema perteneciente al estilo llamado reggae.
Ikusten duzuen bezala, rockan estilo desberdinak dauz. Hard rocka edo reggaea. Reggaea adibidez, Jamaika uhartean jaio zen. Eta horregatik, bueno, eta bere famatuena, musiko famatuena, jakingo zuen zein dan, ez? Bob Marley, hori da. Eta reggaeak horregatik, Jamaikan jaio zen ez, horregatik dauka bere Karibeko zapore hori.
Como podéis ver, el rock and roll no es solo un estilo, sino que engloba un montón de estilos. El reggae nació en la isla de Jamaica, por ejemplo. Su figura principal, como habéis adivinado, era Bob Marley, y seguramente notaréis en la música ese regustillo al Caribe. Para que veáis cómo esta música ha tenido influencia en la música de hoy, vamos a escuchar también un tema de Bruno Mars, que es The Lazy Song.
Like a woman, a strange kind of woman, the kind of writing that you used to read. His name was Nancy, her face was nothing fancy, so let far wilderness and misery. I love her, everybody loved her. She loved like everyone that you can turn. I tried to take her, even tried to break her. She said, yeah, for what you wanna do, my love. I want you, I need you, you gotta believe you. Spend my money as I took my turn. I want you, I need you, you gotta believe you. Oh, what a strange kind of woman. She looked like a river, but the moon never pleased her. Wednesday morning, baby, you go far. I couldn't get her, but things were better, she said. Saturday's for nothing, baby, you my star. I want you, I need you, you gotta believe you. Spend my money as I took my turn. I want you, I need you, you gotta believe you. Oh, what a strange kind of woman. just one heart. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who has all of mankind? Steps in, there's one of you, believe in one love, one woman, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children cry at one love, sharp in the air, one heart. Give them praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One Lord. So when the man comes, will there be no doom? Have pity on those whose tis grown sinner. There is no hiding place for the holy of creation. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying, one love. Hear the children crying, one heart. Give them praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. One more thing, let's get together and feel alright. Today I don't feel like to be anything. I just want to lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave the message of the tone. 'Cause today I don't feel like to be anything. Oh, I'm getting